Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I want to share with you, out of this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado, how to use teen driver mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over here, we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to vehicle, and then we're going to go to teen driver mode, or teen driver as it says right there. We're going to click continue right here. This will take just a second. And what we're going to do is go ahead and enter a code. So we're going to just put in something simple, and then it's going to tell you to enter. You're going to do it one more time. We're going to hit set. And there we go. We're set on that. And that means that your teenager can't do anything to remove or delete or get out of that if they don't know the code. And as you can see, I just went in to show you how you can go in and make changes. You can set things up the way you want to. If you want to turn something on that isn't currently on or turn it off, well, there's how you do it. And what about if you want to change your PIN? Well, it's pretty easy to do. We'll go in here and change it real quick just to something different. One more time. You're going to have to enter this twice just for obvious reasons. We'll hit set right there. And as you can see, that is now set. And if you want to clear the PIN, here's how you're going to do that. We're going to go right here. We're going to hit clear. And we have now successfully done that. Keep in mind, you have to be in teen driver mode with the PIN to be able to do that. So that doesn't mean that they can just go in there and clear it themselves if they don't have the PIN. So just so you know how that works, there's teen driver mode for you. I hope that was helpful.